Is that the Travis Barker special?
He's like, he's just guessing.
No, I'm not
Everybody
guessing.
knows that
No, I'm
shit.
just saying.
How do I know?
You know that shit because you backed up some hip-hop dude's like fucking song. That's the only reason you know that. You don't know. Name another drummer.
So
Name another drummer.
Can you tuck one arm in your shirt so you're like Def Leppard?
Name another
and do one arm.
Travis.
Can you do it? Look at this guy. He's gonna do Def Leppard. Do it. Play it. Play Def Leppard tribute. Do Animal from. Nice, Def Leppard. Beautiful.
How about I know who he is because I actually listened to a Blink-182 song? How about that?
Oh, that's not fair.
Do you know who Def Leppard is?
I've heard of him.
Do you know the drummer has one arm?
Yeah.
Do you know it?
And he's fucking awesome.
Yeah.
One arm drum.
Talk about a guy. Talk about a band meeting that when he lost his arm, that went. Are you gonna tell him?
What are we gonna do?
You should
Yeah.
Why don't you fire him? No, you fire him.
You fire.
No, you fire him.
No.
No,
He's gonna use foot
I'll tell you
pedals.
what.
He's gonna use foot pedals. No.
Foot pedals. He's gonna be great.
Hey, no, but I bet you with that one arm, he got some of the strongest motherfucking heat. I bet he could throw a hell out of a punch. With one arm, he probably beat the shit out of everybody.
Do it again. I love it. Def Leppard. Do Pyromania.
Yo, you should do a song. Anybody with the center mic should do a song. Yo, you
think
should
so?
do a song.
Do a song?
You and your stash.
All right. Shit.
How unfair is it that the drummer of a band has to haul this shit around?
It's the worst job.
It's like it's the fucking.
Being a comic, you just show up and you're like, you got the mic plugged in, good. He's like,
Hold on, let me bring my small army with me.
All right, Joe, this is your debut right here.
What are you doing?
Smoking Joe Howard, you're gonna do a song.
All right.
All percussion and vocal. Ready?
Okay.
Go.
Hey,
Let's do it.
go ahead. Yeah, coming at ya on your station.
I'm gonna be your puff daddy.
Oh,
Yeah.
I need to be
Can't
myself.
stop, won't stop, can't stop.
It's like no one else. I'm feeling supersonic, feeling catatonic. You can have it all, but I'ma see you wanna see you.
Peanut butter jelly. Peanut butter jelly. Peanut butter jelly. Peanut butter jelly.
Joe, honestly, I'm gonna tell you, you have the voice of an alarm clock. That's how fucking bad your singing voice is.
It's awful.
Like that's just singing voice.
And I would take it that his Adam's apple would be the snooze button.
Yeah, that was terrible. Everybody.
Hey, I'm not gonna lie, your debut gonna need some work though.
So, Uncensored Net Noise, thank you very much.
Nelson
The Nelson and Joe Hour,
Every
so
Saturday.
check us out. Uncensored Net Noise.
Cocaine is a hell of a drink.
Yeah. You guys aren't ready, are you? It's so funny how you guys, like you're the Titanic, man.
Speaking of the Titanic, I'm gonna make like the Titanic and jump into the frozen cold waters right now and end it all.
To cover me up.
And let you guys try to fucking solo your ways out of this.
Go
shit.
ahead.
You know
Go
what?
ahead. We don't need you, Ryan.
That's okay, but I'm your ride home, so you might want to wrap this up because no one's laughing.
Okay. I know. I don't know.
I figured this out like, I don't know if you guys realize this, but 15 minutes ago that we were doing this shit for our own amusement and to waste time anyway. I don't know if y'all realize that or not. That the
Not me, I'm getting paid millions to be here.
No, you're not.
Millions.
In Monopoly money?
I'm dead serious. I was choppered in here.
Are you getting free beers for this?
Huh? Free beers?
Yeah.
No.
I'm getting paid in cocaine.
Cocaine?
Cocaine.
The drink?
The drink.
I just want you to know that since the beginning of this evening, my self-esteem dropped 15%.
No, it doesn't need to. The bottom line is no matter what you say today,
But my
everything
pride
goes
went up
to charity.
30%.
What?
My pride went up 30%.
4.
Bob Hope Jr., God damn it, say something else. I'm gonna find somebody to spank the shit out your ass. Time out.
All right, I'm calling game. I'll smell you.
Call the game. 3 feet.
All right, Ryan.
Check.
See ya.
Peace.
I'm gonna stay up here.
You know what? I feel like the Jackson 5 when Michael Jackson left. We could do this shit without him, but it might not work.
I'm Tito.
I'm Randy.
Randy.
No, you're Michael.
Sorry. You my guys almost ready? You can be Marlon. I think they
Hey now. Okay. Go ahead, guys. Play some stuff. Nelson will sing Purple Rain. Kick drum.
Sing us a song, Joe.
Really?
Yeah.
Come on, Joey. You can do it. Next the other night. Come on, bud.
Come on, Joey, show us where you live.
Shut up, stupid. No. I'm gonna introduce these guys
Annoying.
much better than introducing me.
Awesome. I got good pictures.
Nice.